Welcome to ReadySet. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create and publish your own mobile interactive group experience from start to finish. Whether you're planning a team-building event, an onboarding activity, or a fun game with friends, ReadySet makes it easy to design engaging, real-world, mobile scavenger hunts. Let's get started. This is the main dashboard. Here you can manage your experiences, create new ones, and access your activities and settings. To begin, click Create New Event. Start by giving your event a name. We'll call this one My First Experience. When ready, press Next to continue. Now it's time to define where your event will take place. Click on the map to select a location. For this demo, we'll select an area within central London. Then adjust the size of your event area and the number of checkpoints. Each checkpoint represents a location where players will complete an activity to progress in the game. As you adjust these settings, you'll also see an estimated playtime, helping you shape the experience. When you're ready, click Generate Checkpoints. ReadySet will now automatically create a set of playable locations that are publicly accessible within your area. You can use the Shuffle button as many times as you like to move the checkpoint locations. When you're happy, press Save Checkpoints to continue. You're now in the map view. This is where your experience comes to life and you customize the fun. Here you can see all your generated checkpoints. You can move them to new locations, remove them, or add new ones. On the right-hand side, you'll see your list of checkpoints and their auto-assigned activities. If you wish to add or customize activities, click Add Activities on the left-hand side. In the activity library, you can browse a wide range of pre-made activities. Select one or more activities and add them to your event, then drag and drop them to an available location on the map. You can also create your own activity. Let's create one. Choose the type of activity you want to create, such as a photo challenge or a variety of trivia quiz challenges. Let's take a multiple choice quiz as our example. Start by adding your question. Let's go with Who directed E.T. as our question. Then fill in the answer options and select the correct one. Feel free to adapt the question to the theme of your event. You can customize the activity settings, for example. You can add an image, set how long players have to answer, add time-based bonus points, and adjust scoring. You can also define difficulty, category, and tags which you can reuse later. These settings help organize and balance your experience. Once your activity is ready, add it to your event and to the checkpoint of your choosing. Now your event has both locations and activities, ready for players to explore. Next, go to the event details. Here you can add important context for your players. Include a description of the event, a meetup location, and a message shown after completion. You can also customize the look and feel by adding a logo and a cover image. Now let's configure how your event will be played. Choose between Ready, Set, Go, where all players start at the same time, perfect for when there's a shorter time frame for the experience to be played, or Pick Up and Play, where players can start whenever they join, better suited for longer experiences that last one full or multiple days. Set the event duration to define how long players have to complete the experience. You can also enable a leaderboard so players can track each other's progress. Under Player Settings, choose between single or multiplayer mode. If using teams, you can define team size, total number of players, and assign team names. Now you're ready to review your event. Here you'll see a summary including the number of checkpoints, duration, and player setup. You'll also get your event code, which players use to join. Feel free to customize it. You can choose to start the event manually or schedule it for later. Before inviting others, you can test the experience yourself. To do so, generate a preview code. Then simply use the preview code in the ReadySet app to test the game from a player's perspective. When everything looks good, click Publish Event. Your experience is now live and ready to be played. When you're ready, share it with your participants. You can invite them to download the ReadySet app or send them the event invitation link. All they have to do is to enter the event code and start playing. And that's it. You've now created and published your first ReadySet experience. Feel free to explore more features and experiment with different game formats. We can't wait to see what you'll build using ReadySet.